count 10 on about the 26th of July 2023 as Stephen Psychology Deficits material. The material being investigated material may be very good and uncertain.
Guilty.
Thank you. While we've been waiting for Mr. Van Leeuwen, we have discussed the trial date. At 1 week on the 3rd of November 2025. As a reading this hearing on 19th September 2025, you're excused from the legally represented. Your sentence status will follow the trial, and they may be dealt with at the end of that trial. Is there any other matter you'd like to raise at this stage?
No.
Any questions?
Thank you.
Are we done that one? Number 10 is in the garden. To get a sentence name? He doesn't need to be guilty of sentence name. How long does it take? It's half an hour between. Any of those questions?
Sorry,
Any date you'd like to suggest?
what's the date range?
As long as the detail of the date ranges.
Sorry, if I could suggest a date in June.
Yes, I can give you a date in June. 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 19 or 20, 23, 26, 27, 30.
26 June, sir.
26, that's in the count. 26 June 25. Sentencing assessment report.
Yes, correct.
Where's the in custody?
Sorry, this is Sutherland.
Sutherland, we will need to contact them within 5 days of the decision. Yes, they are by the 5th of June. Crown bonded by the 12th of June, defence material submissions by the 19th of June, any Crown response by the 23rd of June, any other orders sought? Next matter is Norrie.
Your Honour, I agree on that. Mr. Nuri is here with a Farsi interpreter. He's still presently unrepresented, but we can explain, or he can explain what's happening.
I'm sorry, is this the one?
Yes. After 1 week, I tried to get a couple from overseas, and only my dad was supporting me, and maybe he passed away. And I couldn't get anything, but I already put the application for their legal aid. It was being 7 weeks. And yesterday, 2 days ago, they sent me email to provide more information for them to bank statement and the invoice I paid for my lawyers. And yesterday they called me, they said they had a meeting and they want to find someone to organize the hearing to start doing my case.
So they're going to assign a lawyer to you, right?
Yeah, they said when they gone they had a meeting yesterday. I was trying to push them to do lawyer for today, but they said they have to wait because it's under the Supreme Court. They have to find someone to take the case.
Did they tell you how long it might take?
They said a couple of days, but I'm not sure.
We can check.
I'm already provide everything with them, and I'll show the email from the legal aid.
Mr. Martin is nodding in agreement with all that. Shall we put it over for some time for the brief? Where is the defence brief, Mr. Martin? Mr. Norrie, do you have a copy of the Crown brief? And is the
Yeah, I do.
You've got a copy?
Yeah, I do. I know.
You'll have to give that to your lawyer.
Yeah, I know. I already.
Just making sure.
Yeah.
And tell them that they need to read that, and they'll need to come here on the next occasion and tell me what the issue is.
Yeah, of course. If they give me a lawyer, I have to
I know.
provide them
Every time they give you
all trash.
a month.
A month, I was going to suggest during the 2nd of May.
I'm going to adjourn to the 2nd of May. Come back before me with your lawyer.
Yeah, sure.
Make sure they've got the brief of evidence, it's very important.
Yeah.
and, they can tell me what those heavy issues are, okay?
Thank you.
Gabals continue that way, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Now to Guado, sentencing, as rooms from, charge, just for the defence. Guado,
Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay.
how long is the sentence going to take?
We need 2 weeks to serve what the Crown say, I agree.
To the 11th of April.
Second of next month. Yeah. Come with me. No, in Waverley. Go court of marijuana. Yeah.
That'd be fine.
Yeah.
I understand the parties, pre-trial.
So we can discuss it without an order, 140, comments or if you want.
I'm inclined to have an order for some pre-trial conference.
With Ryan.
By the next court appearance.
Right, you tell me.
If we have it, the matter stood over for 2 weeks, and the day section 140 pre-trial conference to take place within that time.
Okay, adjourned 11 April 25 to 140 within that time, that's it, Mr. And we got counsel,
Yes, you can.
will they be attending the meeting?
I don't have instructions.
I should, usually not, we've got counsel there. Where's your counsel?
Andrew Lloyd,
Andrew?
Lloyd, the Gear Public Health Advice.
I'm telling you, you should be at the conference. You'll speak to it anyway, won't you, Mr. Norrie?
Yes, sir.
There were some pre-trial issues identified by the defence in their notice, by 1 to 11, which is quite extensive. That should be discussed with this.
Yes, Your Honour. It doesn't assist in narrowing things particularly well.
No. When you come back on the next occasion, I want to know what issues are still outstanding, what pre-trial orders we need to make for timetable. Continuity apparently is an issue, and so is the surveillance, so that's quite limited in relation to this pre-trial. What I'd like to know as well is whether there's going to be any challenge irrespective of what his defence is to the drug evidence certificate, the surveillance alarms, electronic meeting of any other two alleged co-accused, surveillance logs, the phone seized on the accused, and also look at paragraph 28 of the paragraph statement. The Crown is really going to need to give some consideration as to how we're going to frame the case.
Yes, Your Honour.
What's happened with the co-accused?
Your Honour, they've both been sentenced.
Are they going to be called?
No.
I know that they play a significant role, at least on the foundation, than this man, so that you have the statements.
Yes, Your Honour.
That's what you look at.
Any they go towards the existence of the scope of the
I understand that, but I'm not quite sure the defence understands. We'll bring that to their attention.
I will.
11 Thank you. Matter of time.
Yes, you need Fisher, FISHAR, Mr. Hyde.
How long will it take, Ms. Fisher?
I estimate 2 hours.
You don't.
Your Honour, the only pretension of the Crown is that it goes through this.
Ms. Fisher, what do you want?
I have some availability in July, the 3rd or 4th,
Can't do that?
10th or the 11th.
5, 6, 10 or 11. What would you like?
10, thank you.
10? Oh, that's June, sorry. Says, consider the 10th of July.
Thank you.
10 July 25, SAR, Ms. Fisher.
Yes, please.
Whereabouts is your client? Alone?
Sutherland.
Sutherland, can you make sure he contacts him within 5 days to get this happening?
Yeah.
10 July. SAR to be filed and served by the 19th of June. Can you please make sure we have your details as Fisher Services and a copy of the report? DPP to file and serve their submissions, file their material by 26th of June. Crown, Defence to file their material by the 3rd of July, including submissions. Crown responds by the 7th of July. Witness to continue, no interpreter required.
No.
Thank you, don't wait. Next matter is Barbour, sentence one, Ms. Richards, you're in there. Or,
Your Honour, the J of the defence is spelled B-U-G-E-I-A.
you want to retain?
I'd say 6 to 9.
Minutes, I have it.
Yeah, that's,
Your Honour, the Crown estimate was 2 hours.
The date?
Again, this is a matter where the Crown is preferable for Thursday or Friday.
Your council has availability in late June or early July.
3rd of July,
Suitable.
3 July, SAR,
Yes, Your Honour.
the client, and where is he?
She is present, standing. Your
I
Honour.
don't know where she is.
Perfect.
There's an office there. Ms. Barber, make sure you contact the Berwick Community Corrections Office, ring them up and make an appointment within the next 5 days, okay? It's important to get this happening. Okay, I'll make some notes. Just take a second. Let me check. DPP is survey by the 9th of June, defence material special by the 26th of June, any response by the 30th of June. Any other orders sought?
Your Honour, I just wanted to raise that I'm not certain if Form 1 has been prepared with respect to sequence 3 yet.
Your Honour, it doesn't.
That's something we have to attend to.
Thank
Who's handling that?
I do.
Is that one? Provided to Mr. Eugene. And that can be verified, so, all that on sentence.
I beg your pardon.
That'll form part of the Crown bundle on sentence.
Very nice.
Matter of Anna Essel's injury. No sentence. Here's the thing.
Yeah, I'm here as agent for Henry Boyd and Bristol, NCC RIS TAL.
Mr. Crystal.
The offender is on bail at a rehabilitation facility, and asked that she be excused.
Actually, just give me the date and how long it's going to be.
During the second of 1 month adjournment, my principal yesterday was advised by both the client and the rehabilitation centre that there should be a diagnosed with cancer. And so that could impact upon the time frame sought for the sentence proceedings. So further information is required to be obtained prior to next week in order to give the court a better estimate as to the time frame for sentencing.
There will be some evidence in that as well.
So,
Your Honour, one thing I don't want to check is whether the court has a copy of the brief signed by the accused. The DPP only has a copy signed by the DPP, not by the accused. It should have been provided, I think.
I don't have a copy signed by the you. You have a copy there?
no, I'm sorry.
It's
principal here on the next occasion?
Yes, certainly.
I can be around you.
Certainly. Thank you, Ron.
Thanks. Member Brown. Is it that, isn't it? Defence? No defence. Is it? Okay, that's good. For the time being, or is he on this people? I'll just leave it for the time being. Montiari. Number 18. Defence.
My name is Boem, Your Honour, BOEHM for Mr Montanari.
Now, my notes in view of the fact that, as I understood, you have just come into the matter and you want to inquire us by now, when you've got full instructions, you've brief counsel, and you have a full brief.
I was provided a copy of the full brief this week, Your Honour. I don't yet have approval from Legal Aid for counsel. I have taken...
You can give that approval in 24 hours. You can? You've got a trial date, it's always been arranged, we'll give it 24 hours. Anyway.
well, that's not my experience with Legal Aid, but in any case, there was talks of Mr Montanari's local court proceedings joining this trial matter. I now have carriage as of last week of the local court proceedings, however don't yet have a brief, so I'm unable to confirm whether that's the course the matters will take.
What's going to happen with those matters in the local court?
At this stage, I'm unable to advise the court as I haven't received a brief or proper instructions in the matter.
Have you spoken to your client? Have you got instructions?
Yes, but he hasn't had the benefit of advice from his new legal team.
You're part of that legal team, I assume?
Yes, and I was given the grant last week.
Well, this just cannot keep going on. It's got to come to some sort of point where we start managing the trial.
One of the local court matters are listed for national recognition. What the farmer suggests is that this matter comes back on the 20th of May, where hopefully those local court matters have been committed and we have a full understanding of how many charges are ultimately going to be in the district court. The current indictment of matters that are already in the district court has 12 counts, 3 complainants. We have an additional 13 complainants in relation to local court matters. And it would be necessary to set down a trial with the right estimate for the local investigation.
The others got their microphone on with them. Okay, well, that's it, Eunice Bowen?
Yes, Your Honour, thank you.
On the 23rd of May 2025, after we'll have a bit more certainty. Looking rather tattered this time, so that's what's on my agenda, I suspect. So that person on the, don't worry, this time, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honour.
Next lady is that Mr. Brown trying to come on the screen? Franco Celia. Just to get a sense, no, is it?
Yes, Your Honour.
How long will it take?
2 hours is our estimate. Your Honour, the Crown estimate was 3 hours, but then closed 3 hours.
30 weeks. The date?
Margaret, is there anything in June?
When would you like to do?
Between 16 and 20 or between 23 and 28? I apologise, Your Honour, this is a matter where the solicitor with carriage would like to appear, and unfortunately I'm not available in June.
No dates?
To do May up until 21 May.
I'm available.
Otherwise, August. which is
July,
about
August. Is he in custody?
Yes.
August?
Yes, Your Honour.
How many days we can see the picture when
The first day of the school.
first August? It's Friday. Yes, they are?
Not certain.
Has he been in trouble before?
He's been supervised before, Your Honour. Yes. He has been supervised.
Should we listen to when he's gone?
It's an active, Your Honour. But we're not seeking one. Those are my instructions, Your Honour.
I think we should get something.
Certainly.
Okay. In custody.
He's at Clarence House, so it would be the office.
I'll just set a time to it. Does he need an interpreter?
No, Your Honour.
How's he to appear?
By
Maybe not. Okay, SAR by the 11th of July, DPP by the 18th of July, principal jurisdictions 25th of July. Any further response on the review? Thank you, Doctor. Mr. Brown, ready to finish? Adam Hello, I see, sorry. Ms. Pearson, Ms. Richards, you like Mr. Hello?
Mayor, if it pleases, Div on behalf of Mr. Hibbert.
Citizen?
Yes, Your Honour. Initial K.
Your Honour, this is a matter where Judge O'Rourke has sentenced a co-offender. The solicitor with carriage made inquiries with
I'm sorry, look, there's someone just here. Sorry, Mr. Gill, someone asked me to speak to you, they're telling me microphone, please. Sydney 607, wherever you are. Sorry, you were saying?
made inquiries with the court, and I understand, Your Honour, with his availability on the 9th of April at 10 a.m, which I accept is very soon. Alternatively, the 16th of May at 2 p.m.
Close date, you won't get a sense assessment. Mr. Dibb?
No, Your Honour, no second assessment report required, although we would prefer the 16th to the 9th, because of the availability of council.
Sorry, what was the date again?
We prefer the 16th of May to the 9th of May.
I thought the 15th as well, was it?
16 May at 2 p.m.
16, no.
Yes, Your Honour.
15 or 16?
1
Thank you. 16 May. Can someone mute that? Can we get rid of that? Person with that. Thank you. Just a minute. Yeah, how long is it going to take?
Your Honour, Chloe Smith to ours.
Hang on.
I agree with that estimate, Your Honour.
So that's the 16th at 2 p.m. How's it appear? Mr. Dibb?
By audio, by audio visual link, yes.
Sorry?
By audio visual link.
Well, hopefully it's okay. No interpreters required?
No, Your Honour.
Okay. Crown bottom by the 2nd of May, defence mature by the 9th of May, including submissions, DPP response 13 May, here ADL. Mr. Brown's on screen now, isn't he?
Your Honour, is this Mr. Brown?
Yeah. Yes.
I indicate on behalf of Mr. Bajawi.
You're an agent, are you, Mr. Dibb?
Yes, on behalf of Mr. Bajawi, BE double J.
Okay. Mr. Brown, can you see and hear me?
Yes.
Mr. Brown, we're going to set a sentence date for you today. How long will it take, Jenny?
The estimate from the Crown is 1 hour, and the preference is just a Thursday or a Friday.
Mr. Dibb?
Yes, Your Honour, I agree with that estimate. As for dates on Thursdays and Fridays, I'll swap those in my diary. May the 15th or 16th, suitable, Your Honour?
Do you want a sense assessment report?
Yes.
Well, it'll need a longer date, a later date.
In that case, Your Honour, the 12th or 13th of June?
13 June. 1 hour, SOR, in custody. SDR by the 23rd of May. DPP mature by the 30th of May. Crown Defence mature by the 6th of June, including submissions any response by the Crown 10th of June. Mr. Brown, how would you like to appear in person or AVL?
I'm not aware of my lawyer, but it's AVL for now.
AVL, that's fine. No interpreter. Thank you, don't wait. Don't wait, Mr. Dibb, don't wait, Mr. Brown. 21. Is Amedro?
Yes, Your Honour, it's pronounced Amedro.
I'm sorry. Your name?
Rumor solicitor for the record, R-U-M-O-R-E.
Ms. Rumor. How long will it take, Ms. Rumor?
I'm told council's estimate is an hour to an hour and a half.
Dates?
This is an area of the Crown Protest.
Ms. Rumor, do you have any dates?
Yes, I'm sorry, I wasn't in court earlier. Your Honour, is there a month we're looking at in particular?
No, depends whether you want SAR or not. So the case I would think you may want one. You tell me
I
your
could
date.
take
12, 13 June, 19, 20 June.
I can take the 20th of June.
Okay, 20 June it is. SAR is all. SAR by the 30th of May. DPP served their bail by the 6th of June. Defence material submissions 13 June. Any DPP response by the 17th of June. Does he require an interpreter, Ms. Rimond?
No, he doesn't. No.
How's he to appear?
If he could appear by way of ADL.
ADL, okay. Any further?
Not for my part, thank you.
Thank you, that way.
May I please Edward Bradley?
Sequence, how long will it take?
1 to 2 hours.
Any dates you'd like to suggest?
Just before that, Your Honour, my client has instructed me to make an application to the Waller list.
Objection?
No.
The date?
For a sentence to account for the ballot, we're looking at middle of the month.
No, there's a, you should have a date, they sit on certain dates. We don't have the date, you should. You'll need to get those dates and tell us which one you want to do.
I said, if the motion stands
Yes,
in
I'll
place.
leave it in this. Yeah, we'll try and find out anyway. Go on. Madam Trafua, Tupa, I should say.
Hey, this is Court Cohen for the record,
Ms. Cohen.
C-O-H-E-N, initial L, Your Honour. I haven't seen defence this morning. That's a sentencing matter for the date today. I do have the defence availability, however, perhaps we should move for stand. I'm in the court's house.
Who's the defence, Mr.
Mr. Daniel Case of Counsel. Indeed. Perhaps if I could have contact you to...
You mind doing that?
I don't mind, Your Honour.
You do that and come back with some dates even if he's not here this evening.
Thank you.
Matter of Bishano. Vance, on the screen, Mr. Hamby, can't hear Mr. Hamby, turn your mic on please.
Thank you.
Thank you, how long will it take?
You're right, thank you for releasing this. The 10th of April is to be vacated as a later date.
Sorry?
I think this matters president is to be on the 10th of April, seeking it vacated to a date which I heard maybe the 13th of June.
We ordered any pre-sentence reports.
I've actually received that already, Your Honour.
You've got the extensive certificates, okay? You've got that, Mrs. Stubbs?
I don't have a copy of it.
We'll see if you have it, possibly. What's the new hearing date you want, Mr. Handy?
Ideally the 13th of June.
Yep, 13 June's available. One and a half. 2 hours. So the SAR is done, is the Crown Mumble filed?
Unfortunately, my instructions.
I'll make some new orders, shall I?
Thank
Crown bundled by the 30th of May. Defence material submission 6 June. DPP response no later than 10 June. How's he to appear? Mr. Handy?
ABL.
ABL. No interpreter sought? No need for an interpreter? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honour. And the date of the 10th of April is vacated.
Yes, I've just noted that. Okay, yeah. Thank you, no way. Bolton, the other one. 24. 25? 20, oh, yes, 25.
Your Honour, I give them.
Note that file, please. Your name again?
Elston, E-L-S-T-O-N. Your municipality is unbailable. He resides in Queensland. He has an audio-visual record here today. I don't require him unless Osirona does.
What's the name today for your buyer?
To take a sentence today.
To one?
To take a sentence today.
We don't need him to appear. Miss Elston. I've got the file, I'm terribly sorry. How long will it take?
2 hours.